Welcome back to the AI Success Series, and congratulations on being here again today. Let's be real. The analog open house was the model of the past. You know the one. A few paper flyers, a couple of balloons, and maybe a guest sign-in sheet that ends up in a drawer. That world is gone. Today's open house has gone digital. And the agents who are winning right now, they're not just holding houses open. They're building digital engagement machines powered by AI. AI allows you to do what used to take hours in minutes. Imagine walking into every open house with full confidence because you've already identified your target audience using AI-driven insights. You've pre-written every social caption, email, and follow-up message with a consistent voice. You've prepared for the exact talking points that convert an inquiry into a qualified client, instead of a missed opportunity. That's not luck. That's leverage. And AI is your low-cost, high-impact assistant working 24/7 to make it happen. AI helps you create pre-event buzz, boost engagement during the event, and, most importantly, sustain follow-up campaigns that actually convert. You can train it to write personalized texts, design your open house recap emails, and even predict the best time to reach back out to that just-looking visitor who's secretly ready to buy. The result? More meaningful conversations, more qualified leads, more closings, and yes, more GCI. The question is, will you lean in? Will you learn? Will you invest the time to become the AI-enabled agent of the future, the one who takes an unfair share of the market while others are still doing things the old way? The choice is yours. And today is about equipping you with the tools, the models, and the mindset to lean into that choice right now. We believe in you. Let's get started today.